Welcome back again, guys, and it's another episode of EJ Show, and it's about day 66, double six of EJ Show, English Show, and it's nice to see you again on another fresh episode. So, without losing our seconds or minutes, we are just moving over to the first segment, which is vocabulary bank, and due to some non-availability of some fresh vocabulary, we are just moving over to reviewing the past vocabulary we are just already been taught in the past episodes itself. So we are just moving over to that. Ostracize, push away, giggle, laugh in a nervous or silly way. Plausible, possible but not likely. Hostile, showing dislike or opposition. Quell, pen made of feather. Doodle, a scrambled drawing without any aim. Inculcate, fix an idea in the mind by repetition. Haywire, out of control, broken. Harrowing, very distressing. Glitch, a sudden problem or fault. Dissemble, hide your true feelings. Intrepid, fearless, adventurous, and brave. Euphoric, extreme happiness. Idyllic, extremely pleasant, simple, and peaceful, without any difficulties or dangers. Jinx, a person or thing that is believed to bring bad luck. Bedazzled, to impress someone very much because of being very intelligent or beautiful. Tranquil, free from disturbance, very calm. Plethora, large or excess amount of something. Gibberish, speak something which is meaningless. Bamboozled, to fool or cheat someone. Serendipity, happening of some event by chance in a happy or beneficial way. Nifty, good, effective, handy, or useful. Tremble, shaking due to fear. Enormous, big. Stumble, fall down while walking. Illicit, illegal. Mesmerizing, interesting. Steeple, V-shaped poster of hands. Riveting, interesting. Collaborate, work together. Procrastination, action postponed. Optimum, best. And that's all for today. And we are just winding up the segment, which is vocabulary bank. And we are just moving over to the next segment, which is open fire. For today episode, the same phrases I am just repeatedly using, and that is, I am not much prepared for presenting a specific topic. So we are just moving over to some review over some Mollywood movie. I yesterday mentioned that some movie is just releasing today on the Amazon Prime. So I am just downloaded yesterday night, but it's totally what unsupported file. So I just want to remove or erase it, and another copy of the print of the same movie has to be downloaded from the very early morning itself. So I just planned and just downloaded that today morning. So it's nice that I just watched afternoon section today. It's afternoon section, so it's something that I have to review over that movie. So I am just planning for the same. So I think it's nice that I can mention the movie, right? So I don't even mention that mm, a, movie's name anywhere till now. So I'm just hoping that you will like or just watch that movie, and its name is Cold Case. And we can assume so many perceptions or presume so many ideas or the level of what kind of genre we can see. It's completely of an investigation movie, and we can see the lead cast is being enacted or being acted by the Prithviraj. So sorry, I wrongly mispronounced his name. It's about Prithviraj Sukumaran and some other non-Malayali actors, and they are the pivotal roles or prominent roles are being played, and they what I strongly believe that I just want to mention my true review over the movie. So I just want to claim that it's totally an average or at par movie, and we can't expect that much kind of what a great movie. But we can notice that some elements is new or some areas were watchable or that kind of what enthusiasm we can feel from the scenes. So it's surely somewhere we can get that kind of a fresh sequence. So I totally enjoy, and if we can see out of 10, I will just give 4.5 or 5. That kind of range, I will just give it to that. There is so many blanks or being unclear or completely ambiguous over some threads. There are so many threads that being rolling over the entire movie, so we can see it's completely of an investigation of some murder, a woman, and what it faces is that the investigation is completely based on two way of communication. It's only on a logical, it's completely of official way, and that is the investigation through the police. And the another is that some journalist, that's the lady who is being played by some non-Malayali actress. That's the name I just forgot to present, or being used to present that actress in front of you. So and that the way, and they both are trying to find the same culprit. So they are just want to find, there is no competition such in, nothing like that. It's officially came to the police inspector, that's played by the Prithviraj Sukumaran, Satya something like that, and it's officially claimed to investigate by him. And the other one is completely about unlogic, or we can see that some invisible power is being chosen here to find out the unrevealed story behind the murder. And that way, and at last it's completely what the climax is also something which I don't even accept, in a way that the director or the filmmaker is trying to visualize, and the way they narrate the story is completely something which there is some elements are there, but it's totally as a complete entertainer or some movie package we can't expect or accept that kind of full enthusiasm over the movie. And it's shortly but a watchable movie, but not for repeatedly watching. We don't get any boring, but there are some or clues are there unsolved, or some which irrelevantly use some scenes which we makes that we feel that there are some horror kind of things on the movie, but there is no such things. Or especially if the murderer woman is being presented to the house that the journalist being uh, used to live, and that's the way they are trying to correlate. So it's totally that I totally, in a way that enjoyed it. It's not any boring or something like that, but I totally enjoyed it, the way it present. But some more preparation is needed to the script as well. So I think the scriptwriter is something a debut writer. The initial problems are there, right? So they are completely finding only by experience, right? So they will make sure that in the future itself they will recorrect the mistakes that they have been intentionally or unintentionally done in this film. So I am hoping that they will have nice future to present or prepare or make that kind of great movies ahead. So I am wishing that they will do their best to get that kind of appreciation from the audience. So we have to satisfy different kinds of audience, right? So that's it. Everyone has the same kind of common sense, but we have to accept that, and we have to present the a soul film into the wide worldwide kind of audience. So we have to satisfy majority of it, otherwise it would be a what boom disaster, and we don't want to see that kind of things in, right? And Mollywood movies are completely going to the another level, so we have to support it, right? And we have to make sure that uh, they are completely focusing on that kind of wave or the wavelength which we have to measure it to the next level. Otherwise, it would be a great damage or devastating situation where we have to face that kind of issues within the movies itself. We don't want to see that kind of scenarios to the future as well. So we are hoping, I am just hoping that in every some sequence I just want to see that if I present that role in a way that if whether I can use that dialogues or by heart that dialogues and present it in the camera, whether it's possible or not I don't know, but I just think over that, and it's possible if I have that shivering or tremble over the camera or in front of camera I just have that kind of fear, and if that fear sacrifices my entire caliber, then it's completely out of what completely haywire myself, right? So it's something which I just imagined at that time while I just watched that movie, and I just hoping that anyway in the future, one passing shot, if possible, that I can do in any Malayalam or any other language movies. So I don't know, but I have that kind of passion or the dreams, but I don't know whether it's possible or not. I don't have that kind of experience, anything like that. The only thing is that I have that dreams that I want to express so many emotions in these characters. So I am just want to find that kind of characters to express the correct emotion. So I don't focusing on the emotions or something like that, but the dialogues that should be by hearted and should be presented with that kind of attitude, then only the character can be completely immersed into that movie, right? So that's to in this movie as well, the journalist is being played by non-Malayali, so we can see that somewhere she is not have that kind of what sing in which the dialogue presentation. So I just noted that. So as a keen observer, I just listen each and every minute things that I can possibly uh, identify. So I am just focusing on something like that. But as a what an actor or something like that, if it is possible that I can make sure that I can have that kind of attitude towards that role, right? If I can completely satisfy or completely what perfectly make that role what the sun present that the filmmaker visualize in their in his mind. So I have to make sure that I just satisfy the filmmaker at least, right? Then only I can what fulfill that kind of satisfaction over the role, right? So that the I am just thinking over that, and in future I just think or hope that I will get any chance over doing any movies. So I don't even played any single dramas, anything like that. But some passion or the dreams, passion. We can see that we just want to try hard on that field, right? I don't even tried anything yet. So I have solely I have that kind of dream. We can mention that as a dream. It's only a dream, but I really want to do movies. So it's not about the fame or status or the more financial benefits, anything like that. But I have to express the emotions. The way way a character express his emotion on some certain situation or scenarios, that I have to use it. So here in Bollywood industry, we can see that the earlier they have that kind of well looked, well gentleman looked persons can be acted in real lead roles, but today it's completely changing. In Hollywood movie as well, we can see that if he have the white shade or black shade in color or the physical appearance, it's not a problem in Hollywood. But here there is some what race discrimination are there, but today it's completely changing to a certain extent. So I'm hoping that I can do some lead roles as well. So I don't know anything about that. So I have that kind of dream. That's all, and I don't have to spare any of my years to do or go for that dreams, but I'm just left it in my left hand side of my head. So I'm just anywhere, anytime on my life I can do or not. I am just hoping that I can do it. So if in everything goes or comes into the correct time, I will just make sure that I can have that chance. So I'm just looking forward to that. We can even but completely stress or strictly stress over that. I have that kind of things or other problems to solve off. So I'm just focusing on finding some other jobs currently, only on focusing on the present qualification that I carrying on. So make sure that you all will be here to support me in my entire life. So I'm just hoping that I don't even to discontinue this presentation or the video making. So I have to do before taking this video else I have that kind of uh, some negative emotions or some mood. So I don't want to take video, but certainly I have to take that video or the enthusiasm or the way of presentation that already been get from this kind of presentation that totally amused me, and that's the only reason why I just taken this. I just completely taken above 60 minutes. It's due to the complete passion or the what the excitement over the process. So I totally enjoy this process. So hope that you will support me in this in the long run itself. So just and I don't even know that I have to present any other artificial things or ideas or anything, but I just present my ideas, then you just got and it's completely completed about 70%, 70 minutes. So it's totally we have to talk from our inner what inner mind or inner word, then we can automatically speak with the language effectively. That I just expect, and I am just believing that kind of things. So that's all, and we are just winding up today's episode, and it's about day 66 double six of PJ show, English show, and here Jithin signing off, and bye for now. See you next time in the next episode. Bye bye, tata.